Yeah, massive, what going? Yeah, man, I hope so everybody out there do well, is it? There again for another reason. Yo, you see every Jamaican who out there, who ever take the time to help a youth and help a youth in the right direction. Cause more times some youth differently still, you know, them a go through some things and because of whatever reason, some of them not even know how to make people understand. Them not even know how to express the kind of help what they need and the things them what they go through, you see it? But you have some people where them identify the greatness in the youth them and they help and mold them. If you not see say the youth them move certain kind of way into the wrong company or are moving in the wrong direction, I wanna can just help them, mold them, teach them one trade and them kind of things there. All the Jamaican them who happen for ever do any of them kind of things there. I want to say big up to them youth there. Big up to them people there. All of the Jamaican them who know say they use the things them where them learn for help others. All of the people them who take some time out for teach some extra lesson in some community and them kind of thing. They see. All I teacher them who help mold the youth them and shape them in the person them who them is today. Once you do your thing and you're progressive and you deal with the thing with upright and respect and morals and discipline and them kind of thing there. We want some respect for all of them people. You see, because you need motivation. And more time, we as big people differently still. We set some example. Or who can do it physically help some youth. You understand? Who can influence the youth them and get into their mind for make them start to think progressive and them kind of thing there. Help them youth there. Reach out to them youth there. You see it? Enough of we who go through certain kind of experience and we know the consequence of certain things. We must try to steer the youth them away from them things. You see, because them things they're important because if we not realize it, it'll go come soon. You see it, because if you not notice say a one set of Jamaican a kill off themselves. You have a matter with them say out of many one people, you see it. But if you notice in the whole demographic, a one set of the Jamaican them are hurt and a kill off themselves, you see it. So you see the people them who they do the humanitarian social warrior kind of work, we have to respect them people and we have to give thanks to them people, you see, because we know say if it wasn't for the help of certain people for even direct a whole heap away in our one part we think independent and we go look work and we go find a trade and them kind of things there. Show you some value where you emulate and want to become, you see it. You see, if we lose all of them little things in our community them, we future now gonna look too bright, you see it, because we can't get selfish and just start to pre-things for one individualistic kind of manner, you see it? So you see when time I see people who do them kind of humanitarian work the way, help people, I respect them, you see it? And we have to start to show more respect to the people them and highlight the people them who they do the good in the community them, rather than we pay too much attention and give so much energy and life to the destructive part of what they happen. Even though we have to talk about it still, but it's almost like we give too much energy to the negativity. So you see when time I see people that do positive things, I have to pay attention to it and I have to show respect and gratitude, as I always say, you see it? Because I watch an interview with Marlon Chung, an interview climber from the Colorsmith TV team, you see it? It's a youth where you could have said Colorsmith adapt the youth differently still. And the youth talk about some of the struggles where he might go through as a youth before he meet Colors, you see it? And the youth say he might go through so much depression to the point where he feel like he would have hurt himself one at a time. You see it, like him not see no way out. It's almost like him losing value, it like him no want they run anymore and them kind of things there, you see it? And Colors come through sight up what they go on with the youth and decide to help out the youth situation and give the youth some motivation and make him feel like, you understand, him worthwhile. You see it? So him have some worth and the youth are talk about them kind of things. You see it? And I don't know how much we see that interview there. But if you don't see it yet, but then like they are them for go over Marlon Chung channel, you see it? That are Auntie Pauline's son, you see it? Because the kind of humanitarian work what we see Auntie Pauline and Mr. Chung same way I deal with. You understand? The whole family of them differently still. You see it? Because as me always say, no one man can do anything. You see it? So it take a collective. So it take the whole community to help out and deal with each other and help each other to grow. And you understand? And when we see the kind of humanitarian thing where them people are deal with and the energy where I see behind all of it and the motivating way how Marlon operate differently still, you see it? We just have to respect them people here still, you see, because we can just feel positive energy. We can just see the positive work. And you see, through me as a youth where, as I said before, me as a youth when we bounce around with enough different people and the whole community grow me differently still. So me is a product of help. You understand? So when time I see them kind of things here, it you understand, it reach me in a one different kind of way, you see me? And when I see people like Auntie Pauline them and how them operate with that kind of, you understand, darkest kind of element, there you see it. Who know Bible story and know about the lady what them call darkest? Well, I don't know. You see it, that energy they're different still. You see it, the people them who reach out and help the poor people them. People who motivate people who want to see the best for people and not only want to see the best for people, but actually do something about it. So them actually make way for people live and feel better. See? So when we see them kind of things there, and we hear how the youth talk about in struggles when they go through as a little youth, we know say them things say it's not unique to climb a differently still, you see it, because a whole heap of different little youth across the country I go through certain little depression, and you understand? Them lack a whole heap of different things same way too. And because them not fit in the crowd where probably popular in them circles, them feel some kind of left out way. Them feel like I say, them not have no worth and them kind of thing. They, you see it. When me know say enough of the youth them are some diamond in the rough, them just want to just get pushed in the right direction. Show them the right things to do. Help them for prepare themselves for become better people in a society. You understand? We need a lot more people like these people in our community. Them, you see it? Because when time we are grow up, we see how important these people, them big auntie and them big uncle and them kind of things there. Enough time and not even your biological auntie or your biological uncle. You see it, just like how everybody call Auntie Pauline. You see it? Back in the days when time the community them where have them the kind of people there in a community where them a serve them kind of social work kind of thing within the community. Them come like the mama of the community. Somebody get a little bruiser right up there, so then go get some medicine before them go to hospital, or if them figure hospital. But you don't know. Them always have one of them kind of people in a community where you can run to for some first aid. You can run to for little counseling. You can run to for get a little loan and them kind of things there. Them things that save enough people from enough different things. You see it? Because as me say, me grew around in a them kind of environment that we spot. A them kind of things that me see happen, and other people look out for people pitney. So that's why me say right now, all the people them who ever do anything good for people pitney. You understand? We want to say big one up. And enough time same way too. The people them what talk down from people pitney and criticize people pitney and tell and say people pitney now go come to nothing in a life, and them kind of sit down. If you cut out them sitting the same way too. Because nobody don't know what the future holds, is it? Because me as a youth, I can't wait for reach the standard and the height spot. I can go back, go help people in our mass kind of way, because you understand? Me know the kind of help what me get coming up. You see it? And when me see people out there I contribute and I do the same thing where you don't know, me as a youth where me benefit from them kind of things there. Me have to say respect. You see it? Respect and much love and much manners. You see it? Because more times some people do some good for we and we don't get the time, or we just not get around to tell them respect and thanks and them kind of sitting there, you see it? But the universe know and the Almighty know all our heart and desire, and You understand them kind of thing they see it. So all more than say, if we just continue do the good what we can. The youth them who good in the academics field, they are them for still get back to the place we start. We can keep some extra class and help the youth them where kind of slow and help them for, you understand, catch up on their lessons and them kind of thing. They see it. The youth them who walk around in our community and it seem like them not have no hope and no dream and them kind of sitting there. You see it, if you not can give them a job, or you find a job and give them and them kind of sitting the same way. You see it. Motivate them, show them the purpose to live in a certain kind of way, because enough of them want the motivation and them don't know how to ask for it. So more time when time we see them act out certain kind of way, we know say I cry out for help, you see it? Yeah man, so make we do the best as we can. Motivate the youth them as much as we can, you see it? The people them in the inner city, in the town system, in the ghetto system, they are them know how to operate and work within that kind of settings the same way to, so they are them know what and what to do same way to make the positive vibration flow, so youth them can see a better future, you see, because you understand, we can't just hear upon news every day where so much of the youth them a get, you understand, dash way and dep on road just lie down like, you understand the levels, like no dignity and them kind of thing. They see it. We want to change them kind of things. They see it and make Jamaica look like one of them first world country there where people are flock to come enjoy the beauty and the whole vibration of Jamaica. You see it? The beauty and the food and everything. You see it? So in the meantime, just go and do the right thing, people. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, you see it? And until the next video, Rastafari live. Blessed.